Are you ready to take your creativity and innovation to the next level? Meet Clarke's 3 Laws, the ultimate guide to pushing the boundaries of science and technology. Clarke's 3 Laws are a set of principles formulated by science fiction writer Arthur C. Clarke that describe the limitations of science and technology. The laws state, when a distinguished but elderly scientist states that something is possible, he is almost certainly right. When he states that something is impossible, he is very probably wrong. The only way of discovering the limits of the possible is to venture a little way past them into the impossible. Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. For example, let's say you are an engineer working on a new technology that is currently considered impossible. According to Clarke's first law, it's important to be open to the possibility that it could be possible. According to Clarke's second law, you should be willing to venture a little way past the limits of what is currently possible to discover new possibilities. And according to Clarke's third law, if you're successful, your technology might seem like magic to others. Here are 3 tips for making use of Clarke's 3 laws. Be open to the possibility of the impossible, keep an open mind and don't dismiss an idea as impossible without considering it carefully. Be willing to take risks, be willing to venture a little way past the limits of what is currently possible to discover new possibilities. Keep in mind that technology can seem like magic. Remember that when you're working on new technology, it might seem like magic to others. In conclusion, Clarke's 3 laws are a powerful tool for understanding the limitations of science and technology. By being open to the possibility of the impossible, taking risks and remembering that technology can seem like magic, you can push the boundaries of science and technology and achieve great innovation.